Today I am going to discuss unsteady, steady flow and uniform, non-uniform flow, then compressible, non-compressible flow, then laminar and turbulent. So yesterday we discussed about one-dimensional, two-dimensional and three-dimensional flow. Thereafter we also discussed steady and unsteady flow. So our third number is uniform and non-uniform flow. Non-uniform flow. Okay. So yesterday we discussed about the steady and unsteady flow. Condition was properties, rate of change of properties, that is pressure, velocity and density, does not change with respect to time. Okay, here velocity does not change with respect to location, or we can call it as space coordinates. Okay, so when the velocity does not change with respect to location, that is called uniform flow. So condition is dV by ds is equal to 0. If you integrate, this will give us velocity will remain constant. Okay, constant, and that with respect to location or distance we can call it as. Now what are the example for that? Let us see. Example means it is a flow with uniform diameter. Okay, so a type of flow in which velocity does not change with respect to time. See, the velocity does not change with respect to time. That means velocity remains constant with respect to location. Remember, and we can call it as space also, space coordinate. That type of flow is called uniform flow. Condition for which is dV by ds is equal to 0, and if you integrate, we will get V is equal to constant. So flow with uniform diameter. One. Okay. Another is if velocity changes with respect to location or distance, then velocity changes. Okay, then that type of flow is called non-uniform flow. Example is flow with varying sections. That means diameter we are changing. Okay, like see, I am showing you the example. This is uniform flow, diameter is fixed. Okay, so that is uniform, and non-uniform means diameter you are changing like this. So it is uniform flow, and this is non-uniform flow. So here we have discussed definition of uniform flow and non-uniform flow. Uniform flow means velocity does not change, that velocity remains constant, and if the velocity changes with respect to time, that means see here dV by ds is not equal to 0. That means this velocity, that means velocity is not constant. Okay, here velocity is constant, so velocity changes, it is not constant, it is changes with respect to location. Okay, that type of flow is called non-uniform flow. Example for which is flow with varying section. See, diameter is changing here. This diameter is d1 and d2 is separate, different. Here it is uniform flow where uniform diameter is used. So this one was uniform and non-uniform flow. Now number 4, laminar and turbulent flow. Okay, see this, I am giving you the example here. Here one type of fluid flowing in this section and not mixing with any other section. Okay, and here what is happening, this layer is passing here like this, here also. Okay, like this, here. See, one layer of fluid is mixing with another layer of fluid here. So it is called turbulent flow. And this is called laminar flow. So what is the definition? Let us write like this: laminar flow. That is, one layer of fluid does not mix with other layer of fluid, that is called laminar flow. Okay, so laminar example is blood movement in the veins. Okay, that is the example. This is also called a smooth flow, or orderly flow. That is your laminar, because one layer of fluid does not mix with another layer of fluid. That is why it is called laminar flow. Example is blood movement in the veins. Another is turbulent. See, turbulent means one layer of fluid mixes with another layer of fluid, then that type of flow is called turbulent flow. So this is mixed flow also called. It is disturbed. Turbulent means mixed flow. So example is water flowing in the river. So there will be flood, then flowing of water becomes topsy-turvy way. That means, see, zigzag way. That one layer of fluid is mixing with another and not smoothly. It is not, flow is not smooth. That type of flow is called turbulent flow. Example for which is water flowing in the river or open channel. Okay, this is also called disorderly flow. Okay, so let us sum up what we have studied in this session. One was, yesterday we discussed one-dimensional, two-dimensional and three-dimensional flow, and also steady and unsteady flow. Today we have discussed uniform and non-uniform flow. Uniform means velocity remains constant. That means velocity does not change with location. Okay, that flow with uniform diameter. If velocity changes with respect to location, then that is called non-uniform flow. Okay, that flow is like this: dV is not equal to 0. That is, V is not constant. Another is laminar and turbulent flow. Laminar means a smooth flow. See, one layer of fluid does not mix with another layer. So flow, one layer of fluid does not mix with another layer. That type of flow is called laminar flow. Example is blood movement in the veins. Another is turbulent, one layer of fluid mixing with another. This is called disorderly flow. And water flowing in the open channel is the example of turbulent flow. Rest of the type of flow I will discuss in next class.